Can you watch the sausage while I do this? Or not?
I was watching it.
I mean, you probably have to flip them. They're fine, you need to be flipped.
I was recording the Kitty Litty too. Yeah, there's... No, it's that thing next to it. Launch smelling.
Yeah, I just said fuck it and toss them on the egg pan. It doesn't really matter.
What, sausage?
Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Wasting dirty in dishes, you are.
No, I didn't waste it.
Dirty in dishes, nigga. Could have done it all in the bacon pan at the same time.
I need to stop it on that thing over. I don't think I did. What is it?
The third one?
I did?
Yeah. Somewhere.
It's further back there this time. Okay.
Kitty water. She's like, give me it.
No, I'm telling you, this fucking gravy is gonna like blow your mind. Oh wait, you did try it.
Mm-hmm.
It's even better on biscuits though.
Flinging water everywhere, kitty water. Now, Doggity, the hell you think you're doing? Can't you make them go away?
Go. Go.
Get out of
Get on
here.
with yourself. Go.
Yeah, they just keep coming back.
Go, dog. Go.
Just keep coming back.
Start sniffing stuff and pulling a kitty witty. Acting like I didn't see him or something. Act like he's paying attention to something else.
Don't mind me. Oh. Kiddo, what a today?
You need to stop calling because now he's coming.
Go. Go. Motherfucker, get out of here. Go. Leg poke.
You want these pieces of sausage? One of them